Santorini, an Aegean gem, is a Cycladic island renowned for its dramatic beauty and rich history. Characterized by iconic blue-domed churches, whitewashed buildings, and breathtaking sunsets over the caldera, Santorini captivates with its postcard-perfect landscapes. Fira, the vibrant capital, and Oia, a picturesque village, beckon visitors with narrow streets and panoramic views. The island's volcanic origins are evident in its unique black and red beaches, while ancient ruins, such as Akrotiri, offer a glimpse into a bygone era. Santorini's culinary scene, featuring local wines and Mediterranean delights, adds to the allure, making it a timeless destination for romance and exploration. Enjoying our content? Subscribe now for more videos like this. Click the subscribe button and stay tuned for regular updates. Your support means the world to us. Let's dive in. Number 1. Oia, a charming village on the Greek island of Santorini, captivates visitors with its iconic whitewashed buildings adorned with vibrant blue domes. Perched on cliffs overlooking the azure Aegean Sea, Oia is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets, attracting crowds to witness the sun's descent behind the caldera. Narrow cobblestone streets wind through the village, revealing charming shops, quaint cafes, and art galleries. The architecture, characterized by cave houses and windmills, adds to the village's unique allure. Oia seamlessly blends traditional Greek charm with modern amenities, creating an idyllic destination that enchants travelers from around the globe. Fira, the bustling capital of Santorini, boasts a picturesque setting atop dramatic cliffs, offering panoramic views of the caldera and deep blue waters below. Whitewashed buildings with blue accents cascade down the cliffs, creating a stunning visual contrast. The town is a vibrant hub, featuring a blend of traditional charm and modern conveniences. Visitors explore narrow alleys lined with shops, tavernas, and cafes, while archaeological sites like the Museum of Prehistoric Thera provide insights into the island's history. Fira's energetic atmosphere, stunning architecture, and captivating sunsets make it a compelling destination, inviting travelers to immerse themselves in its allure. 3. Parissa Beach, located on the southeast coast of Santorini, is renowned for its striking black volcanic sand and crystalline waters. Nestled between Mesavano and the Aegean Sea, the beach offers a relaxed and lively atmosphere. Sunbeds and umbrellas dot the shoreline, providing comfort for sunseekers. The beachfront is lined with tavernas, beach bars, and shops, offering a variety of refreshments and local crafts. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy activities like windsurfing and paddleboarding. With its unique landscape and vibrant beach scene, Parissa captivates visitors, providing a perfect blend of natural beauty and recreational enjoyment. 4. Akrotiri is a picturesque village nestled on the southwest coast of Santorini. Renowned for its captivating sunsets and Cycladic architecture, the village offers a serene escape from bustling city life. Its narrow streets wind through whitewashed buildings adorned with vibrant bougainvillea, creating a charming atmosphere. Akrotiri is famed for the ancient archaeological site, often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii, showcasing well-preserved ruins from the Bronze Age. Visitors can explore the excavations, including the intriguing Akrotiri frescoes, providing a glimpse into the sophisticated civilization that thrived here. With its historic allure and scenic beauty, Akrotiri beckons travelers seeking both cultural enrichment and tranquility. 5. Kamari Beach, situated on the southeast coast of Santorini, is a captivating stretch of volcanic black sand against the backdrop of the Aegean Sea. Renowned for its unique charm, the beach offers a vibrant atmosphere with a variety of seaside tavernas, shops, and water sports activities. The ancient Thera ruins overlook the beach, adding a historical touch to the scenery. Umbrellas and loungers dot the shoreline, inviting relaxation under the Greek sun. As the sun sets, Kamari transforms into a romantic haven, with waterfront dining and the distant silhouette of the Mesavano mountain creating an unforgettable coastal experience. 6. Red Beach, nestled on the southern coast of Santorini, is a striking natural wonder celebrated for its unique crimson-hued volcanic sand. Towering red cliffs frame the shoreline, creating a dramatic contrast with the azure waters of the Aegean Sea. This secluded gem provides an intimate setting, enticing visitors with its surreal beauty. The beach is accessible by a scenic hike or boat, enhancing the sense of discovery. While swimming and sunbathing are popular activities, the sheer magnificence of the red-tinged landscape, coupled with the clear waters and surrounding cliffs, make Red Beach an iconic destination for those seeking a one-of-a-kind seaside experience. 7. Amoudi Bay, situated at the base of Oia's cliffs on Santorini's northwest coast, is a charming fishing village renowned for its tranquil ambience and stunning views. Accessible by a picturesque stairway or boat, the bay is a hidden gem with traditional tavernas serving fresh seafood along the water's edge. The colorful fishing boats add to the postcard-perfect scene, and visitors can savor delicious Greek cuisine while enjoying the sunset. Amoudi Bay also serves as a starting point for excursions to the nearby Parissa island. With its authentic charm and breathtaking setting, Amoudi Bay offers a peaceful retreat away from Santorini's bustling crowds. 8. The Fira and Oia hiking trail on Santorini spans approximately 10 kilometers, treating hikers to awe-inspiring views of the caldera, traditional villages, and the Aegean Sea. Beginning in Fira, the capital, the trail winds along cliff edges, passing through charming settlements like Firostfani. As walkers ascend, Oia's iconic blue-domed churches come into view. The journey is a sensory delight, with the scent of Mediterranean flora and the gentle sea breeze accompanying the trek. Culminating in Oia, renowned for its mesmerizing sunsets, the trail offers an immersive experience of Santorini's beauty, blending nature, culture, and panoramic vistas. 9. Imerovigli. Perched on the cliffs of Santorini, Imerovigli is a picturesque village offering breathtaking views of the caldera and the azure Aegean Sea. Known as the Balcony of the Aegean, this enchanting settlement is celebrated for its romantic sunsets and Cycladic architecture. Whitewashed buildings with blue-domed churches line narrow pathways, creating a postcard-worthy ambience. Imerovigli provides a quieter alternative to Fira, making it a haven for couples seeking a romantic getaway. The Scaros Rock, a prominent geological formation, adds to the village's allure. With its serene charm and panoramic vistas, Imerovigli stands as a captivating destination in the heart of Santorini. 10. Megalochori. Nestled in the heart of Santorini, Megalochori is a quaint and historic village exuding traditional Greek charm. Characterized by narrow cobblestone streets, whitewashed buildings, and vibrant bougainvillea, this hidden gem provides a serene escape from the island's bustling crowds. Megalochori preserves its authenticity with well-preserved neoclassical mansions and traditional cave houses. The central square, adorned with a charming church, invites leisurely strolls. Renowned for its local wineries, Megalochori offers a taste of Santorini's distinct wine culture. This timeless village encapsulates the essence of Greek island life, making it a captivating destination for those seeking tranquility and cultural richness.